Hey my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I have my November BOXYCHARM for 2020 and I'm so excited to be sharing with you because it's a really wonderful fall box and I'm so excited. As you can tell, I am dressed for the fall mood. I have some fall clothes on, which is kind of rare because it's not really pink, but there's pink in like my skirt, but you can't see it. But I'm really excited to share with you guys the BOXYCHARM for this month because it is so fall theme and I'm really excited because I'm actually wearing one of the products today because I just couldn't wait and I thought it was such a perfect fall eyeshadow palette and I thought it was great for this time of year. So I was really excited, plus the shadow colors went with this outfit I'm wearing, so it was like, we're gonna put it together. So, without any further ado, we're gonna get started with the box. So, the theme for the BOXYCHARM this month is Harvest, so a very fall inspired box, which is very exciting. And as you guys always know, I go in order of the products that are listed on the back of the card. So when I put them in the description box, they're easy for me to link everything and tell you all the prices and stuff in case you don't take notes during the video. You can always refer back to the description box below. So let's get started. And it is the eyeshadow palette, of course, for this month. It is the Natasha Denona. These are those little mini palettes, those little mini 5-pan palettes that are like $25, I think, from her. This is actually exclusive to this BOXYCHARM. It is not available for purchase. This is a BOXYCHARM exclusive palette. And I'm so excited. So this is the Natasha Denona Peak palette, it's called, and I absolutely love it. It is the perfect fall colors, and they are just like so super gorgeous. I absolutely love and adore this palette. You get 4 matte shadows, and then you get one kind of like shimmery all over the lid shade, which is so nice. And there's just like so many like perfect things in here. You have like the browns and kind of like the neutrally mauvey kind of almost like this. It almost looks like it's like part of like the muted pink family, but almost like a rusty color. So you have like shades in there that will be great for the crease and transitioning and to just make a beautiful combination, make a beautiful fall eye look as I have done. I don't know if you guys can tell, but so shine is all over the lid. I have shine all over my lid, and then in my crease I put Amara, I believe it's called. So I put that all in the crease, and then I use this as like the outer corner. This is Thorn. I use that as like the outer crease, like the outer corner right here, and I blended a tiny bit into the crease to just combine everything. Because I was trying to match all the colors that were like in my like skirt and like in my shirt, because all of these like little colors in this palette like literally are in my outfit, and I just wanted to kind of like just bring that to the eyes, and it's just so pretty. I just love this palette. I've been really thinking about if I really want to get Natasha Denona like the little mini palettes, because mini retro and mini glam are on my wish list of the mini size little 5-pan palette of the Natasha Denona palettes. I really want to get those two. Those are the two that interest me the very most out of the palettes. Because I do very much use like very neutral base or pinky tone eyeshadows. So when I got this in the box and I was like an exclusive to it, I was like, wow, this is like the perfect chance for me to try this out. And I've always been like very kind of like interested in wanting to try it. And the shades in here are so gorgeous and so pretty. They're perfect for the fall. And I'm sure you could find similar colors like this maybe in like ColourPop palettes. and things like that. But this is just so pretty. And even the palette's so cute. It's like a muted pinky based palette, so it goes with my like aesthetic like so pleasingly, because I do have like a lot of like muted or nude tone pinks in my life here. So it's so perfect, and I'm just like really happy with it. It's so nice. The shadows seem to blend really nicely, so I'm very happy with that. Well, this I thought was so interesting. And I did share with my mom this because she likes to see what I get in my BOXYCHARM and stuff. But this is from Volition. It is their Snow Mushroom Water Serum. And I was like, this is like really interesting and cool to try out. And this bottle is actually really great for my aesthetic because it's rose gold and like a muted mauve color. And I have like those colors like in my bathroom. So this is like kind of cool. But it says it's an ultra hydrating serum powered by superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. Pores are so discussed about in skincare so much. Do pores, I don't even know how pores work. At some point, I feel like there's like, I don't know if there's like, if people just talking about pores so much, there's like myths to it, but that's just like in a lot of things. A lot of people are very worried about their pores. I don't know if I notice them a whole lot. Maybe I don't try to pay attention to them because I don't want to try to always look up close to my face and be like, okay, what's wrong with my face that I'm not sure about? I don't know. It's kind of like, I guess, like maybe almost a weird mindset, but this box is pretty. Look how cute this box is. So that is really cute. But this retails for $62, guys. This is 62 bucks. And you get 30 millimeters, so it's a 1 fluid ounce. But look at it. I think it looks so cool. And I want to see it. It's a little dropper. But I want to see what this looks like or smells. I'll smell nothing. Which is good if you are sensitive to smells, but I don't smell anything. It's very clear. It looks kind of very cloudy in here, but once it goes on the skin, it looks super, super clear. So it says it's also supposed to be hydrating, so I don't smell anything. So I don't think it really does maybe have a smell, but it looks really cool and I'm very eager to try it. I have tons of skincare I'm still trying to get through, so this will get used at some point once I'm finished using whatever I have currently out. So I'm excited about it though. I think it's a really, really cool kind of product. Okay, so next up is my product of choice, and this is from Jouer. This is their essential lip enhancer. I always love getting my product of choice because I'm always picking out the cool thing that I like. But I decided on a lip product, and I was like, can I have maybe more lip moisturizers and stuff? It's so cute. Look at this. It's pink. Oh my gosh, everything of my packaging is like so super matchy, like of like neutral blushy pink or neutral tone colors. It's like what this box was made for me. But this retails for $17. It says, infused with good for you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmental damaging elements while providing lasting hydration, which my lips desperately need. I do not have the best looking lips at all in my life. But look how cool. So cute. It's pinky with like rose gold writing. And I like that it's not, I like that it has this cute little applicator. And it looks like it's a very lightly, super lightly tinted pink. So I'm really excited about this because I always do need lip products, so it's nice to have because I put lip products in, I put like a lip balm in my purse. I keep a lip balm on my dresser over here. So it's always good to have it because I love having moisturized lips. So we always do need moisturized lips. This is from Beauty Creations. This is their Cali Glow highlighter palette. It's $14.99. I don't really know anything about Beauty Creations. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from them. But it says a summer glow all year long. Yes, please. The Cali Glow Highlight Palette is made up of 3 shades to suit all skin tones. Malibu has a subtle champagne color. Santa Monica gives you golden hour look all day. And Manhattan Beach is the ultimate bronze look. I am actually not going to keep this palette because in all honesty, I don't really find a use of having multiple highlighter shades or anything. I just keep one universal looking highlighter, and it's from Milani. I've shared it before and stuff, so it has a little sleeve on this, but I will show you what it looks like. It's a really cool looking palette, but I don't find the use of having like all these multiple like highlighter shades. I like to keep something that goes with the everyday. So hopefully you can see all those little shades. The packaging is really pretty though, but it's just like not something I am going to use and stuff like that. I just like having one highlighter, and it's been lasting me a long time, so I don't really find like a super big use of having all of these multiple shades in my makeup collection. I'm being more selective with my makeup choices and things like that, of things like I'm actually going to use and keep. So yeah. Last thing in here is by Bodyography, which I've gotten so many multiple things from them, mostly eye products, which like a bunch of like eyeliners and I think lip liners, I think, from them. And the truth is I don't use eyeliners, I don't use lip pencils, and it's just like things I don't need. I don't find any use for them. But this is their eye pencil duo, so there's 2 in here. It's $16. So you get the shades. There's the shade in here, Black Walnut, which the cap got stuck in here again. So here's Black Walnut. It looks like maybe it looks like a black brown to me. I don't know if you can see the tip, but it looks like a black brownish color. And then there is Onyx, which is just a super black standard color. These kind of, I don't know, I wouldn't be super confident putting pencils like this in my eyeball. I probably would poke myself out in my eyeball. I would probably want more of maybe like a gel cream liner pencil. Something a little bit easier like that maybe, or a liquid liner if I was going to get really into having. I don't think these lids really stay on these pencils that well. But they're cool. They're a nice fun little duo. They definitely go with like the theme of this box and stuff. These lids do not stay on these pencils. They feel very loose. But it's cool that there's that they've gave some eyeliners in here. You basically have enough. You basically have things to make kind of like a whole look almost. Well, basically like a whole eye look and things like that. But it says that they're super smooth. They have coconut oil infused in these pencils and glide on without drag and add the delicate skin around the eyes. And it says the eye pencils are rigged enough to provide a crisp clean line and can easily be smudged during application for smoky effect. That's cool, but I just don't see me personally just like getting into it or anything. But it's really cool. I actually really enjoyed this box. I'm really excited about it. I'm super happy with this box. Because after the past few other boxes, I wasn't too quite like happy or excited about them. But these products I'm going to be definitely be using, except for 2 of them. But I'm happy because these are like really cool. So I'm really excited about the Natasha Denona palette though. But this was a really cool box. This was definitely a very nice fall themed box, and I really enjoy it, and I'm so happy about it. I'm very happy. I'm very thrilled about it. So I definitely will leave the total cost of my BOXYCHARM so you can see. But I'm so excited. It's so cool. I'm very happy with it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps my channel out a lot by you thumbsing up this video. And until next time, I'm sending you all lots of love. Happy holidays and have a beautiful and magical day. I love you all. Bye.